This is the SWI for the cardboard baler. When you come to it, this is normally going to be empty. For the shortness of the video, this has already been filled for us. So what I'll show you to do is the recycle is going to get brought to you on a pallet just like this, and you're going to grab boxes and you're going to put them in here. And what you'll do is you'll stagger them. So one set of boxes will go like this, and then one set of boxes will be kind of on this side so that the bale smashes evenly. And then this process will be done a lot. So if this were empty, you throw it in all the way up to the top, you pull it down, and then you'd hit auto cycle and it would smush it all the way down, and then it would lift it back up. But right now we're just going to do auto cycle, and it's going to be done. But that step will be repeated several times. Always want to step away from the door too, so if anything were to happen, it wouldn't swing open and hit you. You want to kind of create some space from you and the machine. So now that this light has been turned on, it shows that the bale is made. So we're ready to open the door and start wrapping up the bale. So on this side, you're going to twist it upwards, and it's labeled twist it up so that it'll open. And as you open this door is going to open up too, so just watch out for that. Okay, so now this door can swing open, and you can see these holes are for our wire. So I'm going to grab a wire, and you can see there's two sides to this wire. Can you see it on the camera? One's got a hole and one's just straight. You're going to stick the one with the hole through first. So you're going to go through, and it'll come out the bottom. Just like that. What you'll do is then you'll grab this wire, stick it through the hole, and pull it up. One thing I want to add before we forget is this wire cannot be over this loop. It's got to be inside of that before you tighten it down, because once we're done, you got to lift this platen up, and it can't if the wire's tied and already over this loop. So make sure it's in the center, tighten it up, wrap it around a couple times, make sure that it can't really come loose and hurt anybody. Just like that. We'll grab a couple more really quick. Let's try another hole. Once again, you want to make sure that this wire is not over this platen. Just like that. And there's 6 slots for wire. What I tell the guys out here is the minimum is 4. If you can't get them in all 6, you have to at least try to get them into 4 holes, so that the bale will be secure. Once again, check that wire, make sure it's not in the metal. Pull it up tight, wrap it around. Just like that. And then once that bale is all tied up, you're gonna come over here and grab a wood pallet. You're gonna set it in front of the bale. in the way that the forklift can get into it like this. Don't set it like this because it makes it hard for the forklift. So set it like this, and then what we'll do, kind of align it with the center of that, and then over here you'll hit manual raise, and you can see it's going to open it up, and you'll watch the bale sit down onto this pallet. So stand out of the way, make sure no one's in the way. You'll lift it up. Just like that. And then you'll get one of the material handlers with the forklift to come and grab this, and then we'll stack it over here. Before you end it really quick, the end of day for this job is you want to make sure that the bale is out, and you'll sweep up all the cardboard around this area and just organize it, make sure the baling wire is clean and everything looks nice.